All right, so we're gonna do a dig race. We got a 600cc. We have a 1000cc.
BMW.
He said it's a stock bike. Now, it's not stock. I know he has a stroker motor.
Only carpenter comes.
Yeah. So he has carbon rims, but we gonna see who's gonna win this race. So count to 3, we gonna go.
No!
See my head. So you gonna do the nod?
Yeah.
Then you gonna
Oh, you cheated!
So with the guys, we on our way to go get some coffee and breakfast on Jewin Alley, right? Got outside AC, crystal glass that you walking on. Such a pleasure. So they said these are AC units to cool you off as you walk through the mall. Just another night hanging out with the guys, the car meet. Man, I'm telling you, every day is an adventure. One thing I do know, they know how to throw an event. So I'm not gonna bore you with the small talk. Let's get into some nice bikes and some nice cars. Drop a comment below and rate them yourself. Let me know what you think about it. Second place 2022, 2018, 2024. It almost has every year. It's won a prize. This is dope. What? It's a car motor. Golly. I can imagine if it had exhaust on there, that thing would be screaming. Sheesh. That's crazy.
You tell you the option. What's the option?
What's the options?
DCT is coming with DCT. It's having heated seat, heated grips.
Heated seat, heated grip.
Yeah, electronic windshield.
Look at the screen. Oh, it goes up and
Cylinder,
down.
2000cc.
It's how much?
2000cc.
2,000 cc's.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Look at the back of this thing. This thing is a car on 2 wheels. Brembo brakes. I mean, with all the horsepower, you gonna need it. That thing felt like it was heavy. So how much does it weigh?
460 kilos.
Oh, 1,100 pounds.
Yep.
Oh, wow. And how much horsepower?
150.
150.
Yes.
Stock. Sheesh. It's turned up down here, man. They got cars, bikes, they got everything. They live performances. Man, listen, if you ain't here, you missing out. So you know this is Fast and the Furious Fuel Fest. Now you know they're gonna have some sick vehicles out here. Now I ain't gonna give you too much talk, but I'm gonna definitely show you what they have here. They got a nice little lineup. Let me show you some of these sick whips that's out here. Let's roll.
My bike Hayabusa Gen 2 2017. Tank, carbon from Motorfix, and headlight for chassis. And I have something just for me. The hood. It's carbon fiber.
Yes, nice.
The first one inside Qatar. And
I see you got the rims on there.
yeah, my wheels is aluminium. This is I take it from Motorfix.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Motofix rims. Oh wow. Check it out.
Hello, I'm Haneen. This bike is old S1K. It's fully carbon, and then I've covered the front with stickers, pink stickers. We've obviously covered the headlights as well. There are no headlights, you know. It looks cool, that's why.
Yeah.
And then we've got titanium bolts, pink
she failed to tell us is that she had a car to match her bike. So tell me what y'all think. You know, the Benz and the S1K. So dope. Look, she just coming out with all these extras. She makes her own hoodies with the car on it. Look at that. That's what's up. Is there something on the back? See? See? Look at that. So nice. Check her out.
Hi guys, I'm Hamad from Qatar. I've got the Gen 3 Booza 2023. What I did for my bike, I got custom vinyl that has Motorfix logo embedded in it. I had the WRS windshield, black, mirror block offs from Motorfix, headlights from Motorfix, and the front fender. And I've got the rear lights, Acra Buffet exhaust here, carbon fiber engine covers, and I've got carbon fiber chain guards.
So let me ask you this. I know you was talking about changing the color. What color would you choose out of the purple? I've been getting a lot of people walking around their bike saying that they love the purple. So what color are you choosing?
Actually, many people came here and they told me that they like the color, but I'm gonna change it, and the new color is gonna be a surprise.
Okay, I like that.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be dope.
Okay, looking forward to it. Let me know what you think about this purple wrap that has the Motorfix emblem. It's super sick, but he wants to change the color. Drop a comment below. Should he change the color or leave it how it is?